You've seen this website 1,000 times. Purple gradient, centered headline, same rounded card. This is AI slop, and it's not Claude's fault. It's a taste problem. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you the exact 3-step workflow I use to make Claude Code build designs that actually look like you built them. 3 steps: cultivate taste, equip the right tools, then iterate with intention. Let's go. Step 1, great design starts with curation, not generation. If you let Claude decide the style, you get the average of the internet, which is exactly the slop we're avoiding. So build your own reference library. When you see a layout, a font pairing, or a color palette that stops your scroll, screenshot it. Dribble, Pinterest, Mob, and X, drop them all in one folder. Now here's the trick most people miss: name your taste. Ask Claude Code to look at your screenshots and label them with real design vocabulary: brutalism, glassmorphism, neo-brutalist, editorial, Swiss grid, newmorphism. When you can name why something works, you can ask for it on purpose. Now you've got a TASTE.md file, a written definition of your own aesthetic that you can feed into every future prompt. That one file is the difference between make it look nice and make it look like me. Step 2, Claude Code is powerful, but on its own it doesn't have hands for everything, so give it specialists. Design skills like a taste or UI refinement skill sharpen the stuff models are historically bad at: spacing, type hierarchy, and consistent UI patterns. An image or video MCP, something like Higgsfield, lets Claude generate real hero images, textures, and motion assets inside your workflow, instead of you tab switching to 5 other apps. A component source like 21st Dev, so Claude pulls polished, production-ready buttons, cards, and navbars instead of hand-rolling wobbly ones from scratch. One warning: don't bolt on every tool at once. Add one, feel the difference, then add the next. A cluttered toolbox makes Claude less decisive, not more. Think conductor and orchestra, you're still the one holding the baton. Step 3, and this is where taste becomes visible. Stop one-shotting a single prompt and hoping. Instead, generate 5 distinct directions up front: minimal, bold, playful, cinematic, brutalist, and put them side by side. Once you pick a direction, don't rewrite the whole prompt for every tiny change. Ask Claude to add a little tweaks bar to your dev server, live controls for fonts, colors, and spacing. Now you're adjusting design by feel in real time, the way a designer actually works. Every small tweak is a taste decision. Stack enough of them and the result stops looking generated, it starts looking intended. That's how you get past AI slop: cultivate your taste, equip Claude with the right tools, and iterate with intention. Do those 3 things and your designs stop looking like everyone else's and start looking like yours. I dropped a starter TASTE.md template and all the tool links in the description. If this saved you from shipping one more purple gradient landing page, subscribe. I make one of these every week. Build, monetize, repeat.